Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Power up your trainer and device and open the Zwift app. First, pair your trainer using ANT Plus or Bluetooth so Zwift receives cadence, speed, and power data. Choose the strongest signal if both appear. Once done, log into your Zwift account and confirm firmware prompts. Accept updates. Make sure your bike is level and the rear wheel is secure. This gets you past prerequisites and into the pairing screen quickly. Now pair every sensor methodically. Tap devices, select power, cadence, and heart rate in that order so readings stabilize. If your trainer supports spin down or calibration, perform it through Zwift or the manufacturer's app to align power numbers. Calibration ensures accurate watts and fair riding. Once sensors read consistently, enter your weight and a reasonable FTP estimate to get correct power-based resistance and pace. Select a route or workout and pick ERG mode for controlled intervals or simulated resistance for free rides. Confirm you see watts, cadence, and HR on screen. Adjust screen layout for metrics you need. Make sure cooling, towel, and hydration are in place before you pedal. If you hit problems, restart the Zwift app and your trainer, repair sensors, and check for firmware updates. If ANT Plus interference persists, switch USB dongle channels or use Bluetooth. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.